Assalamu alaikum, and this is Muniba Naheed. Assalamu alaikum, and this is Muniba Naheed. By the grace of Allah Almighty, I am selected as biology lecturer, and I want to thanks for this whole success to bilecturia team. Obviously, without their support, without their guidance, maybe it was not possible for me to come up to this point. And it was a very long process. And during the first phase, that was of written test phase, Bilecturia team gave us lectures and they shared tips with us, and also the quiz, different quizzes at the end of every topic. Those quizzes were really helpful, and the MCQs were really tricky, but at the same time, they were source of knowledge for us. So then that written test phase was cleared, and after that, the next phase was of interview. During that time, they arranged special Zoom meetings for us. They shared do's and don'ts of the interview, and then it was really helpful. And to cut it short, they worked really hard for our success, and all of that was free of cost. That is really admiring. So I want to thank to Sir Azhar especially, and to Miss Nazia and all other respected teachers who helped us, who guided us. And then at the end, I want all of you to stay connected to Bilecturia team. If you want to pass this test of biology or zoology PPSC test,